If it's color you're craving, visual summaries are where Medley finally gives you a little something to work with. After spending so much time in the lecture notes section, where everything is black, white, and that one stubborn green highlighter, opening a visual summary almost feels like stepping into a different app. There is color, there is brightness, there is life. And for a moment, you think, finally. But before you jump for joy, let me say this. Visual summaries are best reserved for exactly that. Summaries. Short, simple overviews. The kind of content where you're capturing the big picture, not the fine details. Because once you try to build anything more complex, the limitations start to show. You get only 5 colors for your diagrams. And honestly, I'm grateful for them considering lecture notes have none. But 5 colors can only take you so far. Then you have 3 shapes to work with. A rectangle, circle, and a diamond. After a while, the repetition becomes noticeable. Your diagrams start to look the same, and your creativity hits a ceiling pretty quickly. Even the arrows, which are essential for mind maps, are extremely simple. They work, but they don't give you the expressive flexibility you need to build meaningful, visually rich connections. Rearranging items is easy enough. You can move things around without much effort. But because the tools are so limited, getting an intuitive diagram often requires a lot of manual fixing. You'll find yourself nudging shapes, adjusting spacing, and trying to force a structure that the tool just simply isn't designed to support. It's why I think having blank canvases would be a great addition.